Hi guys, so today we'll be looking at how to record the credit sale on your register. So before you are able to record the credit sale, you come to the settings page, then you come to configuration. Now you will see this button here. This button is only available, this credit sale is only available if you are on pro plan. So it means that if you are on pro plan, you will see this option to toggle it on. But if you are on core plan, you have to upgrade to Pro Plan before you're able to use credit sale. Now, after toggling this button on, I'll come to my register. So let's say I want to sell this apple on credit, right? I come here, then let's say I'm selling two apple. Then I come here, I click on it, then I click on carts. Once I click on my cards, the apple opens up. And if I click on checkout, I will see option here. So this was full payment, partial payment, pay later. So partial payment and pay later are credit sales. So let me do for partial payment first. Partial payment, if I click on partial payment, I'll come to this particular page here where I will see the option to make the credit sale. Now, to make a credit sale, you have to add a customer, all right, so that you can track who you sold it to. So I come click on select customer, then I have all my customer here. Let's say it's Evans Abuiri. Now I select Evans, then and let's say Evans wants to pay 2,000. Now remember this is partial payment. Then I and Evans say that's okay on the on this particular day, 30th, I'll pay the remaining one. Then I select the date, then I click on proceed. Then I select the payment method. So let's say Evans is paying cash now. And I click on cash, then I confirm the payment. It has been recorded. I click on start new sale and I come here and I click on outstanding sale. Right, I will see the sale that has been made. So let me just come. You will see the sale that has been made here. Right, so you see that Evans paid 400 now. So you can see open here, you see the payment that Evans just made. So Evans is left to pay 700. He just paid only 400. If I come to my dashboard as well, on my dashboard, I click on sales, I'll see a place called outstanding sale. I click on outstanding sale, I will see that these are my outstanding sales, right? And they are sorted by uh the due dates, right? So you can see all of them here, both credit sale. Now, to now do for pay later, remember I did for partial pay. For pay later, I click on Apple, I come here, add it to cards, go to my cards, click on checkout, then over here I see pay later option. If I click on pay later, I'll see an option. Now for pay later, I don't need to enter the amount because the person is not paying me anything for now. So for pay later, I click on customer. Right now, let's assume okay that this one I want to sell it to another customer. Let's say it's Jordan I'm selling it to. Now Jordan, then I select the date, due date. Let's say Jordan is buying on the 20th. As I click on this, then I proceed to pay. Then you can see so credit. So Jordan is only made 3,300. So I've been able to make credit sales. So if I come to the sales page as well, so just pardon me. The If I come to the sales page, I will see that I made a sale to Jordan. So this is Jordan's page. So Jordan is to pay me 33, right? So you have the name, the branch, then you have the details of the sales, right? You have them here. And also on the dashboard, if you refresh the dashboard, you will see that your credit sale has been updated. So and also for the credit sale on the dashboard, you will see the total amount. So the total amount you can see. So this is how much credit you have outside. So how much your customers are owing you. And then this is all the total credit sales that you've made. And you can also filter. So you can filter by dates. Maybe the credit sales I made today. I can filter. I, I can filter by dates. Right. Then I can filter by branch. I can filter by customer. I can filter by payment method. So either payment method partially or unpaid, right? So I can filter by this. I can filter by this. And basically I will see those credit sales that have been made. Thank you.